Discover the Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 chopper. Transform your kitchen routine with the Mueller chopper. With 8 incredible blades at your fingertips, chop, dice, and slice in seconds. This isn't just a gadget, it's your new prep time hero. Welcome to the future of meal prep. This versatile tool handles everything from onions to potatoes, making meal creation a breeze. Your salads and salsas have never looked better. Free up your counter space and spend less time cleaning up. The Mueller chopper is compact, easy to disassemble, and dishwasher safe. Preparing meals has never been this convenient. Act now. Click the link to revolutionize your kitchen today. Buy now. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b08n9q24m9 and join thousands of satisfied customers. T-fal Ultimate Cookware, a home cook's best friend. Discover the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Cookware set designed to stand the test of time. Its titanium non-stick coating ensures effortless cooking and easy cleanup. The unique thermospot heat indicator lets you know exactly when your pan is preheated to start cooking, guaranteeing perfect results with every meal. This 17-piece set includes everything from fry pans to griddles, offering multi-purpose versatility. Oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, they are perfect for any stove except induction. Worried about cleanup? These pots and pans are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Start cooking like a pro with T-fal's innovative cookware. Order now and upgrade your culinary experience.